Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Zafar Khan. You are watching ZK Multitech. Friends, today I will show you how do you do compressor connection, overload connection, relay connection, running capacitor connection and starting capacitor connection. Okay, let's start. First you need to do connection for overload. You need to connect overload on common, the top point. Okay, and then you need to take the relay. You need to connect the starting capacitor. Starting capacitor you need to connect one point here and one here. Okay, and then running capacitor you need to connect one point here and the second one here. So now you need to put the relay to the compressor down point. Okay, now you need to go supply. One cable you need to connect on relay and the second you need to connect on overload. Clear? And then you need to switch on the power. You can see compressor has been started. Next to a suction line. One line you can connect charging line and another line you can connect suction line, and this is discharge line. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.